Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2015 Harley-Davidson CVO Street Glide Special. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2015 Harley-Davidson CVO Street Glide Special with 6,728 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, a keyless ignition, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and navigation. It's been upgraded with a Dirty Air suspension, a Screaming Eagle 117 cubic inch motor, a Reinhardt exhaust and mufflers, a color-matched tour pack, a center stand, 8-inch handlebars, and a primary cover. The CVO Street Glide is a formidable factory custom, standing out with its hot rod style. In stock form, the CVO Street Glide is powered by a 110 cubic inch V-twin motor, putting 115 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel tank, the Street Glide has a 240-mile range, and has a 26.3-inch seat height and a wet weight of 852 pounds. It should be noted that in New Hampshire this bike would fail because of the brake light, but in New York this is not an issue. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 330 seconds, and the rear at 830 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This bike has 2 fobs. It has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.